Hi everyone, I'm Ihsan. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the latest One UI 7 update on Samsung smartphones that we haven't covered in previous videos. While we have already explored many exciting updates in One UI 7, it turns out there are still a few features we haven't shown yet. So let's jump right in and check out the newest features we missed. The first update is found in the Gallery application in One UI 7. After updating, you'll notice a subtle change in the options at the bottom of the application. Now, the bottom menu includes icons above the option labels. In contrast, One UI 6 only displayed text without any accompanying icons. With One UI 7, the addition of icons gives the options a fresher look. Beyond the visual update, a new feature called Clean Out has been added. This feature works automatically, providing suggestions for photos that can potentially be deleted, making it easier to manage and clean up your gallery application. Here is an example of how the Clean Out feature works with two of its functions. The first is the Delete Duplicate Pictures feature, which helps you remove duplicate photos or videos from your gallery. This way, you can keep only one copy of a photo or video, saving space and keeping your gallery organized. Often, we don't realize we have duplicate photos or videos cluttering our gallery. This feature identifies duplicates, and with just one tap on Delete Duplicates, it keeps one version while automatically deleting the rest. To remove duplicates, simply tap the Delete Duplicates button. Afterward, press Delete and choose Move to Trash. Once done, the duplicate photo suggestions will disappear from the Clean Out section. In addition to deleting duplicates, the Clean Out feature also includes an option called Get Rid of All Documents. This helps you identify photos or videos that might no longer be needed. You can simply select the suggested items, press the Delete button, and choose Move to Trash to remove them from your gallery. If a suggested photo is still important to you, you don't have to delete it. Instead, you can tap Remove Suggestions at the bottom left. This will remove the photo from the suggestion list without deleting it, ensuring your important files stay intact. This feature adds flexibility and makes managing your gallery even more convenient. Another new feature in the Gallery application is found under the Story settings, the Hide Content options. This feature allows you to exclude specific photos or videos from appearing in stories. You can choose what to hide based on the date or the faces detected in photos. To do this, simply select the face you don't want to appear in stories and you'll get two options: Hide Solo Shots Only or Hide All Pictures and Videos with them. If you select Hide All, any photo or video featuring the chosen face will be excluded from stories. If you select Hide Solo Shots Only, only photos where the person is alone will be hidden. This gives you precise control over which content is included in your stories. Next, the Collage feature in the Gallery application, which allows you to combine multiple photos, has received an exciting update. Previously, ranging photo positions relied on preset options only. Now, a new adjustment tool has been added, offering much more flexibility. With this update, you can freely move photos to any position using the new free adjustment option on the far left. You can also rotate and tilt the photos, giving you more creative control over the collage layout. This makes it easier to customize and create dynamic, personalized photo collages effortlessly. What's even more exciting is that the background of your collage can now be changed to a photo. In the previous version, you could only change the background color, but with this new update, you can choose an image from your gallery to set as the background. Additionally, you can apply blur effect to the background photo, adjusting the intensity to your liking for a more customized look. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.